In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your sales channel with QuickBooks. This process is crucial for ensuring your financial data is up to date and accurate, allowing you to make informed business decisions with ease. Synchronizing your sales channel data can help you streamline accounting processes and maintain an organized financial system. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to sync this data efficiently. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. Open your web browser and enter the QuickBooks URL, qbo.intuit.com. Logging into your QuickBooks account is the first step to getting the ball rolling on syncing your sales channel data. Ensure that you have your login credentials handy so you can access your account without any hiccups. Once you're logged in and on the QuickBooks homepage, you'll notice a dashboard filled with various options. Focus your attention on the Menu button. It's typically located on the left side panel. Click on Menu to expand a list of QuickBooks features that you'll be using shortly. With the menu expanded, find the Transactions section. Clicking on Transactions will navigate you to a comprehensive view of your financial activities within QuickBooks, a crucial step towards effectively managing your business finances. This section is the Command Center, where you'll manage incoming and outgoing funds. Next, within the Transactions section, look for App Transactions. Selecting this option takes you to the part of QuickBooks where you can view and manage transactions specific to apps integrated with QuickBooks. This view is essential for our next step, syncing your sales channel data, which will allow you to keep your accounts updated with the latest information from your sales activities. Now that you're in the App Transactions tab, your next action is to synchronize your sales data. Look for the option labeled Sync Your Sales Channel Data with QuickBooks. Clicking here will initiate the synchronization process. This action ensures that all the data from your sales channels, such as e-commerce platforms or point-of-sale systems, flows seamlessly into your QuickBooks account. Throughout this process, QuickBooks will automatically fetch and categorize transactions from the sales channels you've set up, integrating them into your accounting records. This seamless integration helps eliminate manual data entry and reduces the risk of errors, giving you more time to focus on analyzing your business's performance. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can ensure your sales channel data is consistently up to date within QuickBooks. By maintaining synchronized records, you'll enhance your ability to manage finances effectively and accurately. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful in keeping your financial operations smooth and efficient.